everyone, let us see the new concept. Today we are going to learn about how to find the area of a triangle when the three points like A, B, C vertices was given to you. Then we can find it. How we are going to find it out, we will see that one. Now please look at here. Take the coordinate axis. Take the point A here. A is x1, y1. And take some point B over here. B x2, y2. And take some point C there, C x3, y3. Join all those points A, B and C. ABC is a triangle. We have to find out the area of the triangle. That means if the 3 points were given to us, how to find out the area of the triangle, we are going to derive the formula there. Then based on that one, we will do few more sums. Okay, now please look at it here. Now I am drawing a line, perpendicular line there. I am naming this one as L, and here I am also drawing from here also, name this one as M, and here this one is N. Right? Now I need area of triangle ABC. Now I need area of triangle ABC means, look at here. Now if this one B L M A, this one is representing a trapezium, right? Now the next one, this one you see A, M, N and C and A. This is also representing a trapezium. In those two trapeziums, the triangle is a part there, right? And not only that one, here one more you see. Here also you are able to find out one more trapezium there. See here, B, L, N, C. This one also trapezium, right? So to find out the area of triangle ABC, first we have to find out the area of trapezium this one and the area of trapezium this one. From those two, take away the area of the trapezium B, L, N, C. Is it clear? Now I am going to find it out. How to find the area of trapezium? Area of triangle, sorry. Now please take it out. Area of triangle ABC equal to area of trapezium BLMA plus area of trapezium AMNC minus area of trapezium BLNC. Right? What is area of trapezium? Area of trapezium is nothing but half into sum of the parallel sides into the distance, perpendicular distance between them. So in this, what is this one? Half times sum of the parallel sides. I am considering BL and AM are parallel sides. So sum of the parallel sides means BL plus AM multiplied by the perpendicular distance. From B I drawn BL. LM is the perpendicular distance here. Plus here also half. What in this AM and C, what are the two parallel lines here? AM plus NC multiplied by MN minus half into BL and CN. I am considering it as perpendicular here. BL plus NC, and here perpendicular line is LN. You may be having a doubt here why we are considering BL and CN only, because BL is perpendicular to ON. Two perpendicular lines are parallel. That's why these two I am considering BL and CN. Now coming to the values here, half I am taking out the common. BL I need. BL is the distance from x-axis. The distance from x-axis represents the y coordinate. What is the y coordinate here? y2 plus AM. AM is the distance from the x-axis. So from this point, what represents y coordinate? That is y1 times LM. LM I need. This value I need means from OM I take away OL, I will get LM. OM is the distance from x-axis to that point. That is, sorry, from y-axis to that point. That is x1 minus OL is x2. x1 minus x2 plus half came out already. AM is the distance from x-axis. So y coordinate I should consider plus y1. Then NC is the distance from x-axis. So that is y coordinate plus y3 into, now here I need MN I need. MN how do I get now? MN equal to ON minus OM. ON is the distance from y-axis to that particular point. From y-axis means it is nothing but x3 minus OM is x1. So here it is x3 minus x1 minus half already came out. BL plus NC. BL is the distance from x-axis to particular point. X-axis to that particular point is nothing but y2, y coordinate, plus NC is also same, y3 into LN. LN is nothing but LN. LN is nothing but ON minus OL. ON is x3 minus OL is x2. x3 minus x2. Now I am going to open the brackets there. That is half x1 y2 minus x2 y2 plus x1 y1 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y1 minus x1 y1 plus x3 y3 minus x1 y3 minus of x3 y2 minus x2 y2 plus x3 y3 minus x2 y3. Now I am opening the brackets there. x1 y2 minus x2 y2 plus x1 y1 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y1 minus x1 y1 plus x3 y3 minus x1 y3 minus x3 y2 plus x2 y2 minus x3 y3 plus x2 y3. Now cancellation also, check it out. Plus x1 y1 minus x1 y1 gets cancelled. Much more anywhere here. Plus x3 y3 minus x3 y3. Then plus x2 y2 minus x2 y2. Now half into x1 I am taking out the common there. X1 terms are here, x1 is there, here x1 is there. So here it is y2 minus y3, x1 terms over, plus x2 I am taking out the common. x2 here it is there, one more x2 is here. x2 is y3 minus y1 plus x3 I am taking out the common. x3 here is there, here is there. y1 minus y2. That is half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is the area of triangle. The formula to find out the area of the triangle when the three vertices of the triangle were given to us, that is the formula half modulus x1. Why modulus means area never be negative. It should be always positive. So to represent that one, we'll put the modulus there. Half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. To keep the formula in the mind, x1 if I am taking 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 like that, you check it out. 1, 2, 3. x1 if I am taking y2 minus y3. Now suppose x2 if I am taking 2, 3, 1 will come. y3 minus y1. Now x3 if I am taking 1, 2 will come. x3, 1, 2. This way you can keep it up. Another way is also there to how to keep that one in the mind, and easiest way that we will discuss in the next one. So the formula to find out the area of triangle is half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Is it clear? Thank you.